Most people fail in crypto for one simple reason. So they're using platforms that are too slow, too complicated, or just not built for beginners. But what if there was a platform that combines speed, simplicity, and control all in one? Today we're breaking down ZoomX and why people are starting to pay attention. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're in crypto, trading, or making money online, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch till the end. So what is ZoomX? ZoomX is a cryptocurrency trading platform launched in 2021 that allows users to trade digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But here's the interesting part. It combines features from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. That means you get speed, liquidity, and ease of use while still having more controls over your assets. So getting started is a simple. You sign up, deposit funds, or even buy crypto directly using your card. And then you can start trading. You can choose between spot trading, future trading, or even earning future like staking. So whether you're beginner or more advanced, the platform gives you options. Let's talk about the key features that make ZoomX stands out. So first, security is used as advanced protections, system to keep user funds safe. Second is speed. The platform is built for fast execution, which is crucial for trading. Third, user experience. It's clean, simple, and beginner friendly. So fourth is the deposit. You can buy crypto directly with your bank card. And finally, bonuses and rewards for new users. Why people used it? So why are people switching to ZoomX? Simple. They want something that easy to use, fast, and flexible. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, everything is one place, which makes trading more efficient. Of course, no platform is perfect. The process is the beginner friendly, fast, and offers multiple ways to trade. The cons is crypto is still risky, and some features may take time to learn. So always do your own research before investing, guys. Let's make this more real, guys. Imagine you're a beginner, you just entered crypto and everything feels confusing, charts, numbers, different platforms. Now, instead of jumping between apps, you open one platform where everything is already organized. You can see prices clearly, execute trade quickly, and even explore earning options all in one place. That's kind of experience platform like ZoomX are trying to create. Simple but powerful. So if you're thinking about trying platform like this, here are a few quick tips. First, start small. Never go all in, especially if you're still learning. Second, learn the basics. Understand what spot and future trading actually mean before jumping in. And the third one is manage your risk. Even the best platform can protect you from the bad decisions. And finally, be patient. Crypto is not a quick and get rich game. It's long-term skill. So who is it for, guys? Who is ZoomX really for? It's great for beginners who want something simple, intermediate traders looking for speed, and anyone who wants everything in one platform. But if you're expecting instant profit, this isn't a magic. So is ZoomX worth it? If you're looking for a platform that's simple, fast, and flexible, it's definitely worth checking out. Just remember, smart trading always beats risky decision. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below. So would you try ZoomX? So I'll see you on the next video.